awaiting rescue. The stranded Crew-10 astronauts. High above Earth, 4 astronauts aboard the International Space Station anxiously awaited their return home. They gazed out of the cupola, the station's panoramic window, at the blue planet below, longing for the day they would set foot on solid ground again. The SpaceX Crew-10 mission, their ride back to Earth, had encountered an unexpected delay. This delay was due to unforeseen technical issues that required immediate attention and resolution. Their original ride home, the Boeing Starliner, was grounded due to technical difficulties. The spacecraft, which had been meticulously prepared for their return journey, now sat idle on the launch pad, awaiting repairs. The astronauts of Crew-10, veterans of scientific discovery and spacewalks, now found themselves in an unplanned extended stay. Despite the uncertainty, they continued to conduct important experiments and maintain the station. Their mission, initially a standard 6-month rotation, was now tinged with uncertainty. Each day brought new challenges and the need for adaptability. The crew, composed of seasoned astronauts from various nations, remained in high spirits. They supported each other, sharing meals and stories and maintaining a sense of camaraderie. Their training had prepared them for the unexpected. They had undergone rigorous simulations and emergency drills, equipping them with the skills needed to handle such situations. They continued their vital research and daily tasks aboard the ISS. Every experiment and observation contributed to our understanding of space and life beyond Earth. They knew that a dedicated team of engineers and scientists were working tirelessly to bring them home safely. These experts monitored every aspect of the mission, ensuring the astronauts' well-being. Meanwhile, a rescue mission was swiftly being organized, relying on the proven technology of SpaceX. The Falcon 9 rocket and Dragon spacecraft were being prepared for a critical mission to bring the stranded crew back to Earth. Starliner's setback, a glitch in the plan. The Boeing Starliner, a spacecraft designed to ferry astronauts to and from the ISS, had hit a snag. During pre-flight checks, engineers discovered a critical issue with the spacecraft's propulsion system. Several of the Starliner's thrusters, responsible for maneuvering the spacecraft in the vacuum of space, were malfunctioning. This malfunction posed a significant risk to the safety of the Crew-10 astronauts. The culprit behind the thruster problem was a lack of helium. Helium, a lightweight and inert gas, is used to pressurize the propellant in the Starliner's thrusters. Without sufficient helium pressure, the thrusters would not fire correctly, potentially leaving the spacecraft stranded in orbit. The root cause of the helium leak was still under investigation, but it was clear that the Starliner was not ready to fly. Falcon 9, a ride on a reusable rocket. With the Starliner grounded, attention turned to SpaceX and their reliable workhorse, the Falcon 9 rocket. This rocket has become a cornerstone in modern space exploration, known for its innovative design and groundbreaking technology. The Falcon 9, a 2-stage rocket known for its reusability and reliability, was tasked with launching a Crew Dragon spacecraft to rescue the stranded Crew-10 astronauts. This mission was critical, showcasing the Falcon 9's capability to perform under pressure and deliver results. The Falcon 9, standing tall on the launch pad, was a symbol of humanity's ambition to explore the cosmos. Its sleek design and towering presence were a testament to the advancements in aerospace engineering. The launch of the Falcon 9 was a breathtaking spectacle. As the countdown reached 0, the engines roared to life, illuminating the night sky with a brilliant display of power and precision. The roar of the rocket's engines reverberated through the air as it ascended skyward. The sheer force and energy of the launch were palpable, leaving spectators in awe. The first stage, its 9 Merlin engines burning brightly, propelled the rocket through the atmosphere. Each engine worked in perfect harmony, driving the Falcon 9 higher and higher. After separating from the second stage, the first stage performed a graceful maneuver, flipping around and returning to Earth for a vertical landing. This complex sequence of events was executed with pinpoint accuracy. This remarkable feat of engineering, a testament to SpaceX's commitment to reusability, reduced the cost of space travel. The successful landing was met with cheers and applause from the SpaceX team, marking another milestone in their journey to revolutionize space exploration. Dragon's embrace, docking with the ISS. Meanwhile, the Crew Dragon spacecraft, perched atop the Falcon 9's second stage, continued its journey towards the ISS. The Crew Dragon, a gumdrop-shaped capsule designed for human spaceflight, was equipped with state-of-the-art technology and life support systems. Its sleek exterior belied a spacious interior, capable of comfortably accommodating up to 7 astronauts. Upon reaching the ISS, the Crew Dragon initiated a delicate docking maneuver. Guided by its onboard computers and monitored by astronauts on both spacecraft, the Crew Dragon slowly approached the space station. With a gentle thud, the two spacecraft linked together, forming a temporary bridge between Earth and its orbiting outpost. The hatches were opened, and the Crew-10 astronauts, greeted with smiles and handshakes, were welcomed aboard the Crew Dragon. Farewell ISS, the journey home begins. The moment had finally arrived for the Crew-10 astronauts to bid adieu to their home in the stars. After a brief handover period, during which the departing Crew-10 astronauts shared their experiences and knowledge with the newly arrived crew, it was time for the journey home to begin. The camaraderie and shared wisdom were evident as they passed on crucial information about life aboard the ISS, ensuring the new crew was well prepared for their mission ahead. The Crew Dragon spacecraft, carrying its precious cargo of astronauts, undocked from the ISS and began its descent towards Earth. The separation was a delicate maneuver, executed with precision to ensure the safety of all on board. The spacecraft, now free from the space station, fired its thrusters, maneuvering itself into the correct trajectory for re-entry. Each burst of the thrusters was carefully calculated to guide the spacecraft on its path back to Earth. The re-entry phase, a fiery plunge through the Earth's atmosphere, was the most critical part of the mission. The spacecraft had to withstand immense forces and temperatures as it hurtled towards the planet. As the Crew Dragon slammed into the atmosphere at hypersonic speeds, friction with the air generated intense heat, engulfing the spacecraft in a blazing plasma. This plasma trail was a testament to the incredible speeds and forces at play. The spacecraft's heat shield, designed to withstand temperatures of up to 3,500 degrees Fahrenheit, protected the astronauts inside from the searing heat. This shield was a marvel of engineering, ensuring that the crew remained safe and secure as they made their way back home. Splashdown, back on Earth. After surviving the fiery crucible of re-entry, the Crew Dragon deployed its parachutes, slowing its descent to a gentle splashdown in the Atlantic Ocean. The spacecraft, bobbing gently in the water, awaited recovery by SpaceX's recovery vessels. Teams of engineers and medical personnel were on standby to assist the astronauts as they emerged from the capsule. The successful splashdown marked the end of the Crew-10 rescue mission, a significant achievement. The astronauts, safe and sound back on Earth, were greeted with cheers and applause from the crowd. They had spent over 6 months in space, contributing to scientific knowledge and expanding our understanding of the universe. Their safe return was a testament to the ingenuity, skill, and dedication of the teams at SpaceX and NASA. Dragon, Starliner, Soyuz, a trio of space taxis. The SpaceX Crew Dragon is one of 3 spacecraft currently capable of transporting astronauts to and from the ISS. The other 2 are the Boeing Starliner and the Russian Soyuz. Each spacecraft has its own strengths and weaknesses. The Crew Dragon, with its reusable design and advanced technology, represents a new era of commercial spaceflight. The Starliner, while facing recent challenges, promises to be a valuable addition to the fleet of space taxis. The Soyuz, a veteran of space travel with decades of experience, remains a reliable workhorse. As we venture further into space, the development of safe, reliable, and cost-effective spacecraft will be crucial. The successful rescue mission of Crew-10 highlights the importance of international collaboration and the role of private companies in pushing the boundaries of space exploration.